Do you want to grow your business online? Well, you need a Facebook business account. And guess what? It's absolutely free. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up the right way. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Make sure that your Facebook account is logged in the same browser and you have a Facebook page. After that, from the left side menu, click on your profile and tap on Create a Business Portfolio. Here, enter your business name, type your first name and last name. Now enter your business email address if you have. You also can use your personal email here. So make sure that your email is active because Facebook will send a verification code in your mail address. Once you are done, tap on Create. Tap on Skip, and tap on Confirm. Now you have successfully created a business Facebook account. Now you can add people on your business. You can add a page here. You can create ad account. Now verify your email address. To do that, go to your mail address and tap on social and confirm your business mail. Now you have successfully confirmed your email address and you can easily add people here and you can create ad accounts. You can connect your Instagram account,